Komiti mochung'ne weche omenda od bura mamalo dwaro mondo migawo mochung'ne omenda otiek ywaruok e kindgi kod jal mane omiyo rak mar gero kar duoko e wang'e nonro molal mano data recovery center migero Naivasha makoro sani kawo milion 600 mag jopiny higa ka higa. Komiti no nyiso luoro ni omenda ma idhi tigo e gedo mare nyalo idho nyaka bilion 13 kowuok e milion 800 mane oketi kaluwore kod medruok mar bilion 3.2 madwarore mondo eka ochak tich. Jakom komiti no Kuria Kimani okoni e kindeni ma piny owacho keto chenro mage e yor lony manyasani dwaro nitie mondo ket maino e neno ni kar duoko e wang'e nonro molal ma Naivasha no ochako tich. Apisa mag sirkal mochung' ne chenro no ne obed kod tich matek lero kaka omenda mowinjo timgo chenro no medore.
Had it been done as per scope, it would have cost taxpayers money around 800 million shillings. But because of some delays and some maybe not agreements, then you've seen the price shoot up to 5 billion shillings. The need for the data recovery center still remains. The facility still remains such a viable facility. And so we're saying that it is very important that the Ministry of National Treasury and the Ministry of ICT sit together and find a conclusion on this particular project.
Further delay, this project is going to cost us. If we delay for 5 years, how much are we going to spend? It's going to spend, a project we were supposed to take 1.2 billion, we are going to spend around 13 billion. So, I mean, who is losing here?
So it's a question. The other day we had the discussion in the floor of the House, and the Parliament is also keen as to how much public are losing a lot of money with the laxity in the way projects and decisions are being made. If this court case was handled on time, I'm sure National Treasury government had valid reasons to object and allow even arbitration. Arbitration would have reduced the cost of.
Sabirio Gideka